BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Hey, I'm looking at two Weber Grills, the Q1000 B00FDOONEC and the Genesis E-315 B0C8 KRYZR9, and I'm kinda stuck. Can you help me compare them?
Sure thing. Let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Q1000 is much smaller and portable, weighing only 27.5 pounds. The Genesis E-315 is a hefty 176 pounds, so definitely not something you're moving around easily.
Okay, portability is a big plus for the Q1000, since I like to tailgate. What about cooking space?
The Q1000 has a cooking area of 189 square inches. The Genesis E-315 doesn't list a specific cooking area, but it's a much larger grill with 3 burners. Given the size difference, and that it is a full-size grill, it's safe to say it offers significantly more cooking space.
Alright, so Q1000 for small and easy, Genesis for big cookouts. What about power?
The Q1000 has one stainless steel burner producing 8,500 BTU per hour. The Genesis E-315 has pure blue burners with a unique design for consistent heat. We don't have the exact BTU rating for the Genesis, but with 3 burners and it being a full-sized grill, it's going to be way more powerful and have better heat distribution, especially with that extra-large sear zone it boasts.
Gotcha. And ignition?
Both have push-button ignition, so that's convenient. The Q1000 uses those small, disposable propane cylinders. The Genesis E-315 connects to a standard larger propane tank.
Disposable cylinders could get annoying. What about the grates themselves?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, which is great for heat retention and searing. The Genesis also has flavorizer bars, which vaporize drippings and adds to the flavor.
Oh, that sounds fancy. What about price?
The Q1000 is around $229, while the Genesis E-315 is $799. Huge price difference.
Wow, yeah, that's a big jump. It seems like the Q1000 is a basic portable grill, while the Genesis E-315 is a full-featured, high-performance grill for serious grilling.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs and budget. If you need something portable and affordable for occasional use, the Q1000 is perfect. If you're a grilling enthusiast who needs a large, powerful grill with all the bells and whistles, the Genesis E-315 is worth considering.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.